We got the brand new Hyper Tough Weed Eater. It's a curve. Didn't do the unboxing, but we're gonna do a first start. So this one takes 50 to 1. We're gonna use the SuperTech 2-cycle fuel. Works for both. So we're gonna fill it up and give it a go. So we're gonna follow the instructions. Press, release, primer bulb 7 times. Move the choke to the start position. Pull it 3 times. Move the choke to run. Continue pulling till it starts. Okay, first start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can hear it. Now we're gonna move it to the run position. Give it a go. Pretty deep. Halfway through my shin. Guys, so the first time using it, looks good. It's not an Echo, not a Husqvarna, it's not a Steel, but it does the job. You can feel that it lags a little power, but good enough for the day.